quizzing your audience during a presentation, or just trying to keep track of the passing time, you need a PowerPoint timer to stay on track. In just a few clicks, you can easily add timers to your favorite PowerPoint slides. Hi, I'm Andrew Childress and I'm a PowerPoint design pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a PowerPoint timer. It helps you and your audience stay on track, and it's amazingly easy to do. And as you can see, there are many beautiful slide designs inside. Let's work on slide 4 here and get to work adding a countdown timer in PowerPoint. Now, you really have 3 options here. The first is to use a PowerPoint timer add-in. Add-ins are extensions that you can add to PowerPoint to get new features. Some are free, while some have to be purchased. To get add-ins, I'll come up here to the Insert tab, found on PowerPoint's ribbon. Here in the Add-ins group, find the Get Add-ins button. Click on it and you'll see the Office Add-ins Store window open. I'll do a quick search here for timer, and when I press enter, you can see this list here of available options. Click Add if you want to try one of these. If you don't want to use an add-in, let's jump back to the slide here. My favorite way of building a timer is to use the countdown bar method. Let's imagine that we want to add a 30-second timer to this slide. To get started, come up here to the Insert tab again. This time, choose the Shapes drop-down arrow. This gallery pane opens up with countless different shapes to choose from. Let's pick a rectangle here. Then, with the rectangle selected, I'll draw in a bar here on the slide. As you can see, I'm placing one edge of the rectangle shape on the edge of my slide. This way, when it counts down to 0, it will be invisible. With the rectangle in place, let's add some text to it. I'll come up to the Insert tab again and click on Text Box. Let's now draw a text box onto the rectangle as you're seeing me do here. With it inserted, you can just start typing on your keyboard to add some text here. Now, let's add the animation that really transforms this into a PowerPoint countdown timer. To begin, be sure that both the rectangle shape and the text box are selected. Click one, hold down Control on your keyboard, then click on the other. Then come up to the Animations tab here on the ribbon. Here in the Animation Gallery, you can choose an animation effect. This drop down here gives you many more options, so go ahead and click there. From this menu, Fly Out is the best option to add a timer. I'll click on it, and you'll see the fly out effect previewed on the slide. Now, we have 2 more adjustments to make to create our timer. First up, we want to make the bar fly out to the left. In essence, counting down and disappearing when it hits the edge of the slide. To do this, with the shape and text box still selected, click on the Effect Options drop-down here in the center of the Animations tab. Then, from the list of displayed options, click to left. The effect will preview again with the change in direction added. Finally, we need to change the duration of the animation. This controls the speed of our timer. Again, with both objects selected, come over here to the Timing section of the Animations tab. The duration setting is the control center for our timer. Use these arrows here to adjust the duration to your own needs. Or you can type in a custom value here using your keyboard. That's all it takes. In moments, you built a stylish and easy to read countdown timer in PowerPoint. Jumping forward here, let's look at another countdown option. As you can see here, I've built out a simple clock face layout using circle shapes in PowerPoint. Layouts like this can also be made into stunning PPT timers. To do this, I'll click in the center circle here and return to the Animations tab. This time, let's select a wheel animation effect. Then you can repeat the earlier steps of adjusting the duration. In a flash, you'll have a countdown timer that looks just like an old-fashioned clock face. It's a fun way to keep track of time while engaging with your audience. As you can see, it's amazingly easy to build a countdown timer in Microsoft PowerPoint. Add custom timers by drawing shapes, animating them, and changing their duration. Truly, any object can become a stylish timer with just a few clicks. Before you go, don't forget to like this video. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel. There, you'll find many more tutorials and courses just like this one. Plus, you'll enjoy content roundups and so much more. You can't afford to miss out. Thanks again for joining me.